everything, you know? You took everything.
Good job, you already answered. Okay,
안녕하세요. 아나운서 박수현입니다. 글로벌 톱티어 CDMO를 향해 나아가는 우리 회사에는 정말 다양한 경험을 가진 외국인 임직원분들도 함께하고 계신데요. 그들은 과연 우리 회사의 어떤 매력에 끌려 고국을 떠나 이곳 삼성바이오로직스에 정착하게 되었을까요? 외국인 임직원분들을 시선으로 바라본 우리 회사. 오늘은 이야기 나눌 세 분을 모셨습니다. Hello everyone.
Hello.
The common thread I found is that all of you three have the experience at global biotech companies. Could you please tell us about the companies that you previously worked for and the roles that you're responsible for?
So I've been in the industry for about 25 years. Prior to coming to Samsung Biologics, I had worked at Baxter Bioscience and also Bayer Healthcare. I've been in quality roles, engineering roles, and also in validation roles.
I've also worked at various companies, including one of our competitors, Fujifilm, and I've worked in operations, program management, and I'm now in a quality role.
I started there in manufacturing, then I managed manufacturing operations, specifically downstream. Then I moved over to project management for operations and also proceeded with project management for internal transfers.
Well, I can sense that there is a deep expertise just by hearing your backgrounds, and you're highly capable professionals recognized by everyone here now. But I'm sure that you guys all had those rookie days. So our first photo will be this one. And I wonder whose picture is this?
That is me, very early in my career, and that is with a group from Novartis. We actually raised money through a bike ride for multiple sclerosis. And it was really great because it brought importance to what we're actually doing, which is helping treat patients.
And our next photo will be?
So this 15 years ago, this was taken 1 month after I became manager for quality engineering at Baxter Healthcare. There was a lot of diversity, a lot of people with a lot of expertise. So this was really significant to me.
Our next photo will be?
This one is a photo of the manufacturing site that I worked in before. This was a site in Ireland, and it was a startup site when I started, and it progressed and it grew, and a lot more people joined. So
one of the things that initially intrigued me was when I attended a university career fair, and that's where I actually met my first supervisor. And it was also the reason why I started my career at Pfizer. Never thought one day I would end up in validation, but it was fantastic because of the fact that I could learn a lot of breakthrough science. Became very intrigued about making life-saving products.
So similar to Jevin, thought it was just amazing that you could transform science into therapies that are actually saving people's lives. Really what's inspired me throughout my career is having the opportunity to still work in science, but be a positive impact to others.
I did an internship in a pharmaceutical company, and I realized that I can still contribute to society in different ways, and here I am now.
I joined Samsung Biologics because really what I saw is a company with incredible growth trajectory. One of the key reasons that motivated me to join the company is the fact that I get an opportunity to work on these large-scale biomanufacturing plants that integrates latest cutting-edge digitalization with production technology.
Working in global client quality, we get to go on many campus tours, and I'm always impressed with the compliments that we receive from our customers as well. I think that just really enforces the cutting-edge technology and innovation that we're striving to achieve here.
What's really stands out for me when I joined the company is just the overall one-team philosophy, which I think is evident in the daily activities I engage in.
I have never seen the speed of mobilization for a topic, for something to resolve or something to improve upon, and it's something that has fascinated me and still fascinates me, how certain things can be done very, very quickly, and thorough, not to forget that.
One thing that's really been impressive to me is the sense of ownership and collaboration within the teams. We have people within Samsung that are from different countries, but we're also working with clients from all over the world that have different expectations. So I've been very impressed with our ability to stay focused on professionalism, but also being curious.
Yeah, so for me, the one particular episode that stands out is working on Plant 5. I don't think I ever worked on, a plant from construction through qualification and validation in such a short period of time. And I think it's only possible because people stay engaged. We work from early on to align on a common strategy and streamline execution. Everybody was extremely focused on solving problems on time and be able to make, quick decisions and execute. And I think it's just incredible seeing it in real life. So I think it's been amazing from my perspective.
I guess not the most, but the most recent one. I would say getting clients' PES approval, because that marks the transition, end of tech transfer and into commercial manufacturing. And to get there, we had a deadline. A lot of teams had a deadline, and a lot of teams had to work some unsociable hours. Meet clients, talk to them, always back and forth discussions, and also a good memory that everybody at the end of the day collaborated and worked together, as Joan mentioned before, as one team. We're manufacturing medicines not only for the companies that request us to manufacture medicines, but we manufacture medicines for the patients at the end of the day. That's kind of the key message that we all need to remember, is we're not doing it just for the sake of doing, but we're doing for a bigger cause, save lives.
Really love seeing the company continue to expand outside Korea in terms of inserting global presence. And I think for the growth of the company also needs to expand to new modalities, which I think is something that I am looking forward to as I work in this organization.
We need to continue expanding globally as far as bringing in employees from different backgrounds and streamlining our processes with the newly acquired Rockville site.
I think it's necessary to invest in people, in their education, in their further development. I think that's one of the key items. And then in regards to other things, we need to identify appropriate market trends and then provide investments into the new technology.
네, 오늘은 외국인 임직원 3분과 함께 했는데요. 이곳 삼성바이오로직스에서 누군가의 생명을 살리고 또 기적을 선물하는 꿈을 이룰 수 있다는 말씀에 정말 큰 감동을 받았습니다. 네, 그럼 저희는 마지막으로 동료분들께 마음을 전하면서 인사드리겠습니다. 삼성바이오로직스 임직원 여러분!
사랑합니다.
Korean broadcast. We need to do cutie things, yeah. Does it look like a heart? Yeah. Okay.
Looks like a melon.
When is this going to get published? I can avoid the cafeteria for
Good? Okay.